Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a privacy policy to a Wix website. A privacy policy isn't just a nice-to-have page, it's a legal and trust requirement. If your site collects any kind of data, emails, analytics, forms, payments, you are expected, sometimes legally required, to explain how that data is used. When you begin, open your Wix editor. From the left-hand side, click on Pages and Menu. This is where all your site pages are managed. From there, click on Add New Page. A pop-up will appear showing different page templates you can use. Instead of choosing a pre-designed layout, go to the top and select Blank Page. Why blank page? Because a privacy policy is content-heavy. You don't need design clutter. Once the page is created, immediately rename it to Privacy Policy. This step is more important than it seems. It clearly identifies the page, it helps with SEO, it signals professionalism to users. Now comes the content creation part. Instead of writing a privacy policy manually, which can be complex and risky, you'll go to a tool like TermsFeed. On that site, click on Privacy Policy Generator. You'll then select Website as the platform type. From there, you'll be guided through a questionnaire. This includes things like what data you collect, emails, names, etc., whether you use cookies or analytics, whether you run ads or payments. This step is crucial. Your answers determine what your policy includes. Take your time here. If you rush or skip details, your policy may not accurately reflect your site. Once you complete the questionnaire, you'll be asked to choose a language, and then you can click Generate. After generation, you'll see your privacy policy in HTML format. Click Copy to Clipboard. What you just copied. This isn't plain text, it's structured HTML code. This code formats your policy properly, keeps heading, spacing, and layout intact. Now go back to your Wix editor. Click on Add Elements. This is where you add content blocks to your page. In the search bar, type Embed. You'll see an option called Embed HTML. Click Add to Site. This will place an empty embed box onto your page. Click on that box and you'll see an option to paste your HTML code. Paste the code you copied from TermsFeed and click Apply. Immediately your privacy policy will appear inside that box. Final step, adjust the layout. You'll need to resize the box, stretch it vertically, position it properly. If you don't adjust it, parts of your policy may be cut off. Make sure the entire policy is visible and readable. What you just did, big picture. You created a dedicated privacy policy page, generated legally structured content, embedded it using HTML, displayed it properly on your site. You made your site more compliant and trustworthy. To summarize, adding a privacy policy to a Wix website involves creating a new blank page through the Pages and Menu section and renaming it appropriately. You then use a privacy policy generator tool like TermsFeed to create a customized privacy policy by answering a series of questions about your website's data practices. After generating the policy, you copy the provided HTML code and return to Wix, where you use the Embed HTML element to paste and display the policy on your page. Once embedded, you adjust the layout to ensure the full policy is visible and readable. While the process is straightforward, the accuracy and completeness of the information you provide during generation are critical, as they determine how well your policy reflects your actual data practices. A properly implemented privacy policy enhances user trust, supports legal compliance, and strengthens the overall professionalism of your website. And that's how to add a privacy policy to your Wix website. It might seem like just another page, but it's one of the most important ones you'll have. Most people either ignore it or rush it. That's risky. You're better off doing it properly once and updating it when needed. Think of it as protecting both you and your users. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.